as you can see, we're doing the valve clearance, and it turns out the valves are real bad in carbon. And you can clean up the cylinder head, which is really bad, built up carbon, really sticky. Yeah, we're getting sticky valves. So it's time to strip down the head and start cleaning and reseating valves. But it looks like this head has previously had work done on it. As you can see there, I don't know if you can see in there in the lighting, but yeah, this has had work on this head before, this top end. Yeah, oh well, I'll get this done. We're going to put some new rings in this because one cylinder will come back at 95, so get that done, get this done. Yeah, Yamaha should be back on the road within a couple of months. I just want to make sure it's all done properly, done the clutch, make sure that's fine. Recently just had a U oil change, so yeah, we had a oil leak down on the shaft, gear shaft linkage, and my chain had done that. Put U seals in there, put U seals on the clutch. So yeah, when it's done, this boat should run like a dream. Also, I forgot we'll do a little time lapse video of the cleaning process. To get all that out of there, where the valve seats sit, all the sticky grime that's sat there in each one. Give this head a good old clean. It's really pouring down outside here. Can hear it. But yeah, we'll get all this done, get it cleaned up. We'll do a time lapse video of the process and also cleaning those valves. Alright, that's the cylinder head all cleaned. Top end for the rings and the valve. All nice and clean, all in there, all done. So the valve seat nice on the valve seat there, like right on that, like this, right in there. So yeah, she'll be running like a dream. She's done. Alright, valve clean time. Clean these up and get these done. They've got a bit of carbon build up on them. Then you can see that. Just trying to get a bit of light. There you go. Got to clean all that up, as you can see. Right, I'll do a time lapse of it.